Should you switch your account immediately after you upload a video? Yes or no? This question now has become a table of discussion because some people now have come on YouTube to say immediately after you upload your video, watch it with your other accounts because it's going to give you more views. Now, some people have come to say again that immediately after you upload your video, if you go ahead to watch from other accounts, it's not going to give you organic views. Do I switch my own account after I've uploaded a video? Yes. Do I just switch and just do it anyhow? No, I do it the right way. And in today's video, I'm going to just clarify some things about this. Now, I've said it before that on this YouTube street, even after you've heard different people's advice, you should go ahead and make your own research, do your own research before you just go ahead and do that particular thing. Know whether it is affecting your channel the right way or affecting your channel the wrong way. Do you understand? Let me tell you some of the things that can give you inorganic views. Remember, I said I'm going to tell you the right way to switch your account. One of the things that will give you inorganic views is maybe you just tell a friend that you just uploaded a video. Now the person goes to your channel, clicks on it, and maybe just looks. You know, some people can do this thing, just fast forward it, vroom, to the middle, watch some seconds, vroom, to the end. Otilo, they are done. Number one, inorganic view. Another thing is some people will just click on your video and just maybe give it a thumbs up because maybe you've told your friends or your family and all of that. And the thing is, these people are doing it not with the intention of hurting your channel, but it is just that they are ignorant of YouTube do's and don'ts. So they do this and it hurts your own channel. It hurts your videos and consequently hurts your views. Do you understand? So when people just come, click, like it, and then they leave, or come to your video, click, subscribe, and they leave, they did not even watch it. Those ones are termed inorganic views. YouTube will not even count those views. Now, another thing that can give you inorganic views is when you have a search, like so much people coming to watch from a particular platform that is outside of YouTube. Even from YouTube itself, when you upload a video, because I've noticed it with my videos, whenever I upload a particular video, maybe on my channel on YouTube, what everybody can see, I might be having maybe let me just say in the first 1 hour on my channel, the one you can see on my video, I might be having about maybe, let's just say 60 views, but in my YouTube studio I'll be seeing like over 100 views. Sorry, I had to change my location because I was a bit distracted there. So I was saying that if you look at my own video, if I upload a video on YouTube after 1 hour, and maybe on my video, you can see on YouTube itself, you can see that it's having maybe 50 views. But if I go back and check my own YouTube studio, I will see that it's having like over 100 views that same time. That's because YouTube is taking its time to study that particular views, to study those views, to be able to tell where exactly those views are coming from. So let's assume your views are now coming from another platform, okay, that is not YouTube. And those views are now much, they are just coming in. Sometimes YouTube might not count those views as organic views. Do you understand? Because YouTube is going to take its time to study before it will now give your video the views that it deserves. Now, when you just upload a video, how should you do this? Should you switch your account? It is possible. But the very first thing is, when you first upload your videos, if you want to just help yourself with views, what you can do is get someone else's phone, go onto your channel, watch it from beginning to the end. It will definitely be an organic view. Take another person's system, go with that, check for your channel name, watch it from the beginning to the end. Your family members, your sisters, friends, you can do that with their videos, with their phones or with their devices. Now, when it comes to your own, personally, what I do, now I'm not telling you go ahead and do this. I'm just going to tell you what myself I do on my own channel. Do you understand? Like I said, it is what is working for me. I'll come here and teach you. So I feel when you listen to me, if you feel like this thing sounds good enough for you, you can go ahead and do it on your channel. When I upload a video, if I have people around me that I can use their devices, I use their devices to watch. And if not, because lately I've not even been having people around me, so I just upload the video like that. But one thing I do is, after I now upload, I can give some minutes and then switch my accounts. On this my one phone here, I have about maybe 5 different accounts on this phone. I can go to one of those accounts maybe after some minutes. I will now watch from the beginning to the end. Once I'm done, I can go ahead again, wait for some minutes, go back, watch again, and engage. And the thing is, I actually studied this thing. Once I engage, I make sure to engage so that I can be able to tell whether this was actually counted as a view. So when I'm done, I will go back to my own original studio and go and check, and I will see that that engagement was actually counted and that view was actually counted. So you can space out how you switch your accounts. And sometimes I don't even do it for all the 5 accounts that I have on my phone. I can just sometimes do it for two accounts. And most times why I even switch my accounts is, aside getting views, I switch and watch from another account so that I can be able to see what I did well, what I did not do well, how I can improve on myself. Do you understand? So, should you switch your accounts? It is up to you, but it's not going to hurt you if you are doing it the right way. It is not going to hurt you. Some people even, hey, Jesus, there are many teachers on this YouTube. Oh, many teachers on this YouTube. Some people even come and tell you that don't share your videos from your videos. You see that share icon under each video. Don't share. Hey. So if YouTube knew that it will hurt our channels and it still carried it and put there. Mbanuna. Mbanuna. Hey. The only thing is, do it the right way. You can share from that place to your community. You understand? So it's not like YouTube just put that thing for putting sake. So please, let's just try to find out about stuff that we listen to on YouTube before we just conclude on them, or before we just use them on our channel. This is the way I switch my own accounts to watch, and it has been working for me so far. Okay, it has been working for me so far. So once you upload your video, just wait for some time, okay, so that YouTube can do its own check, because I've already spoken it on some of my videos, how that YouTube would want to check first and see, okay, this is where this person's views are coming from and all of that. So YouTube would want to do that and then try to push out your video. That's the YouTube recommendation, YouTube platform recommending your videos itself. So you yourself, in order for you to get more views, you can just chill out, just wait for some time, then you go ahead, watch using your other account, you chill out. You can even decide to try what I usually do. When you switch your account, watch it from beginning to the end, give it a thumbs up, then place a comment that you're engaging. Place a comment. When you're done placing that comment, I want you to go back to your original YouTube studio and go and check to see if you're going to see that your comment. Let me know in the comment section. If you try, once you try it, let me know in the comment section if you can see that particular comment, and then you will tell me whether it's an organic or an inorganic view. Anyways, in order for you to be able to learn more things that I do on my channel that is helping my own channel in my own way, you can go ahead and watch the playlist that is on your screen right now, and I'll see you on my other videos. Don't skip my ads. So thank you. Bye. Share my videos. Oh.